Have you ever felt motivated at night? You make big plans, set goals, and promise yourself that tomorrow will be different. But after a few days, everything stops. The problem is not laziness, and it's not lack of motivation. The real problem is something most people never understand. Consistency doesn't fail because of effort. It fails because of how our brain works. Part 1: The real problem. Your brain is designed to save energy. Whenever you try to start something new, studying, exercising, learning a skill, your brain sees it as extra work, so it pushes you back toward comfort. Scrolling social media feels easy. Watching videos feels easy. Doing nothing feels safe. And every time you stop after starting, your brain learns one thing: quitting is normal. This creates a cycle. You start strong, you stop early, and slowly, you begin to believe that you lack discipline. But the truth is, your system is wrong, not you. Part 2: Mistake people make. Most people depend on motivation. They wait to feel ready. But motivation is temporary. It comes and goes like emotion. Successful people don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. Instead of saying, "I will study for 2 hours," they say, "I will sit and study for 10 minutes every day." Small actions remove resistance. And when resistance becomes small, consistency becomes easy. Part 3: The 3 simple fixes. Fix number 1: make it too easy to fail. Start smaller than you think. Want to exercise? Do just 5 push-ups. Want to read? Read 1 page. The goal is not progress. The goal is showing up. Because consistency builds identity. Fix number 2: remove decisions. Decision-making drains energy. Instead of deciding daily, fix a time. Same place, same time, every day. When action becomes automatic, discipline is no longer required. Fix number 3: track small wins. Your brain loves progress. Mark every completed day on a calendar. When you see the chain growing, you don't want to break it. Small wins create momentum, and momentum creates confidence. Remember this: consistency is not about being perfect. It's about showing up, even when you don't feel like it. Big changes don't happen in one day. They happen in small actions repeated daily. Start small, stay patient, and let time do the rest, because success is not built on motivation. It's built on consistency.